Hello. So today we have this month, June 2021, of Taffy Mail Premium Box. So let's see what's inside. I've opened it, but I've not actually opened it, if that makes sense. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's start. So what we've got here. Okay. Virgil Zero Sugar Black Cherry. I guess it's like a cherry aid. I know they do I'm sure they do a root beer or like a vanilla soda or something, and they're quite nice, their drinks, so that'd be cool. I'll get that in the fridge and get that chilling. We've got the Sour Gecko, and it's the fruity candies. These are quite cool. And we've got Ritz toasted chips, sour cream and onion. Oh, they sound nice. Yep. Airheads. Ooh, big bar. Strawberry and watermelon, 2-in-1. Okay. Some weight to that. Now we got classic cookies, Cinnabon. Baked with Cinnabon and cream cheese chips. Okay, sounds interesting. Oh, we've got some more bigs. Back. Bacon salt. Sizzling bacon. These are really weird to eat. I mean, obviously you have to peel the shell, but the flavour's obviously on the shell. I don't know. I just remember going to a kids' baseball game, and they were all eating these. And on the benches, or underneath the benches on the floor, there were just loads of these shells. But they do so many different flavours. Do flavour bigger. I mean, they are very flavourful, I'll give them that. Oh, I see a box of cereal. What have we got? Fun colouring activity. Cocoa Pebbles. Little Flintstones on it. That's cool. Okay. You can yabba dabba doo it. Alright. And we've got a Nerd's Rope Tropical. We've had these, I think, before. They're a bit weird. They're nice. But yeah, you got the crunchy nerds, and then you got the soft gummy rope, if you like, underneath. Key Lime Pie Kit Kat limited edition. That'd be nice to try that one. Hope it's a nice one. Zero Bar. I like these. These are good. Your caramel peanut and almond nugget with white fudge. Yep, can't go wrong. Reese's Sticks. Okay, not seen these ones. Oh, they've got wafers in them. That's cool. Jimmy Sticks. Peanut butter covered pretzel sticks. That's cool. Okay. I think, is that everything? Oh no. But the little small things. So what have we got here? Oh, your Frunas. Strawberry Frunas. And then sour apple. Is that sour green apple? Sour green apple Frunas. So like chili sweets. And then my lollipop. My dum-dums. Watermelon dum-dums. I think these might be a bit sour. I can't remember. I'm not sure if they've got gum in the middle of them, these ones. Maybe not. They're very tiny. It's a tiny lollipop. And that would conclude. Oh, no. Young Boy's Coconut. These are quite nice, these chews. If you like coconut, it's a nice little coconutty chew. Now, I think that's everything. You have to be careful because sometimes they hide small items in these packing nuts. Which sometimes you get loads of packing nuts, like more than this. So yeah, so that's June's Taffy Mail box. All in all, a good box. So until next month, see you later.